Hey girls and gays, so today I'm going to show you how I made this DIY chandelier cowboy hat that was inspired by Solange and Kalela and all the gorgeous ladies and femmes of the Yeehaw agenda. It's a super simple look. It's perfect for a concert, getting groceries, whenever you're feeling, your Old Town Road fantasy. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial and a little bit of afropunk footage. So I used a black felt cowboy hat that I got on Amazon, super sturdy brim. These really cute acrylic crystal beads, they come 30 in a pack on Amazon. The wig head that I use for all of my wigs and the T-pins. Some black weave thread and a curved needle. You can get this at any beauty supply store ever. And that's all. So the first step is planning out where you want the little crystal danglies on your hat. It's really important to do this to make sure it's all spaced out so you don't have any like weird gaps, or if you need to purchase any more acrylic beads. What I did was I spaced them out 2 fingers apart, and I just popped it in with the T-pins. As you can see, I kind of did like a alternating pattern of the 3 strand beads and the 2 ones. All I did was like take out the extra bead from the top of the dangly. Yeah, so this is just me planning it out. Just making sure the spacing is really nice and even. Don't stab yourself while doing this. It's actually kind of dangerous. Okay, so this is what the hat looks like when everything is all nice and planned out. Everything is even. We have good movement. And so the next and last step is just sewing it. All I did was take my black weave thread and my curved needle, and since the hat was a little bit, the brim was kind of stiff, which is good because you don't want a floppy cowboy hat. It was a little bit difficult to poke the needle through, so I just basically tried to go through the hole that I had already created with the T-pin just to make my life a little bit easier. I double knotted it so it could be nice and tight. And because I was using black thread, I didn't really worry about how neat my stitches were, which was kind of a mistake because during afropunk, one of the danglies got knocked out anyway, but surprisingly the whole thing didn't fall apart, so double stitching it actually is kind of sturdy. And that's basically the last step. Like I said, it was a super easy look to create, perfect for spicing up a costume or maybe just a Monday afternoon. You can like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and are looking forward to more upcycling and DIY videos from me. Thank you again for watching, and you can stick around for a little bit of an afropunk vlog because I did not get enough footage for a full one. So once again, thank you, and talk to you later.
Okay, so what are we doing? We're on our way to afropunk. Hey, gang gang, no potty train, because I gotta go to the bathroom. Already. 10 seconds. We haven't even walked in. Literally have not even walked in yet. But, it's going to be Gucci Paladucci. We'll be all right.